Breaking news this morning for FSR, Fisker. We got some great news. Remember, I've said it's not over until the fat lady sings. In a few days' time, we're expecting that meeting for the reverse split to re-enter the index. Well, on a Monday morning when the stock market is up, which surprises us all because of what's going on in the Middle East, we have got some good news for Fisker. Did you sell out? Have you still holding? Did you buy the dip? You might like this news. We got some good news for you. Smash the like button, subscribe, because you know what? If you smash the like button and subscribe, then you get the good news. But on top of that, you make the little fellas smile because we got some Fisker news that everyone is going to love right now. What is it? This is the news for Fisker today. Fisker signs new dealer partner in Europe. This has just happened a few moments ago and adds new dealer in Miami and adds new dealer partners in Europe. This is great. This is great. Okay, fantastic. Now let's read some more news. If it was all over and there was nothing else happening, of course, this news would not be out and we'd not be able to talk about it. So there obviously is something going on. Like I said, the stock is not dead. It's not finished. It's still here. And we're looking at it now. So let's scroll down. There's Fisker. And the news is Fisker has signed a deal in Miami to its growing roster of dealer partners in the US. So things are still moving forward for Fisker. Imagine you could have bought the stock for 2 cents a share. Imagine this could be the greatest turnaround in history. What do you think? Anyway, Fisker Miami is Fisker's second dealer partner in Florida, following Fisker Jacksonville. Fisker has now signed 6 US dealer partners and has 6 dealer partner locations open for business. Fisker has also added new European dealer partners in Austria and Denmark, bringing to 12 the total number of partners signed in the region. Now, this news has just come out. It's reliable. It's on yahoo.com. It's not fake news to get you to buy the stock or anything like that. It is a fact. So let's scroll down. Fisker, driven by a mission to create the world's most emotional and sustainable electric vehicles, today announced that the company has signed Fisker Miami as a dealer partner. The company's second in Florida after Fisker Jacksonville joined the dealer partnership program earlier this year. Quote from Fisker spokesperson: Florida is an important EV market to Fisker, so we are excited that we can welcome Fisker Miami to our growing group of dealer partners. Can you imagine? I mean, can anyone see the price of Fisker at the moment? I'm not looking at it. It's not on Robinhood. Can anyone see what it was? See what it is? It was 2 cents over the weekend. Anyway, Fisker now has 6 dealer partners locations in the US. The company announced a strategic shift to a dealer partnership model in January 2024. In addition to the new US dealer partnership, Fisker has signed dealer partners in Hilliard, Denmark, and Innsbruck, Austria, bringing its total European total to 12 dealer partners. The company previously signed dealer partners in Austria, France, Germany, Norway, and Switzerland. Price reductions. On March the 27th, Fisker announced reductions in the manufacturer's suggested retail price on many models, model year 2023 Fisker Oceans in the US. Fisker lowered the MSRP of the 2023 Ocean Extreme trim by $24,000 to $37,499 from $61,499. In addition, the 2023 Ultra trim was priced at $34,000, reduced from $52,999. And the 23 Sport was priced at $24,999. Wow, incredible. Reduced from $38,000. This is very interesting, of course. Now, they must be losing money on these cars. Mike has just reported that the stock is 2 cents at the moment. Was this 2 cents on Friday or 2 cents now, Mike? I'm thinking he means this is 2 cents now. So it hasn't reacted yet. You might want to buy it. I'm just saying, this is not financial advice, but you might want to buy Fisker this morning. This is reliable information. It's on Yahoo, and you can buy Fisker right now for 2 cents. And on the bell, we might get a bit of a surprise. The Fisker Ocean SUV has an EPA estimated of 360 miles. We know all of that. We don't need to read any of that at all. That's just stuff we already know. Okay, that'll do. That'll do. So what do you think about that? On the morning, we are expecting the markets to go down because of what's happening in the Middle East. They're up. I bought the dip on Friday. I'm glad I did. Always buy the dip on the S&P. Always, always, always. It's the golden rule of any investing. If you're an investor, not a trader, an investor. And now we've got this news with Fisker. Is Fisker about to have the turnaround of the century? We have got a stock now at 2 cents. And we've got news like this. Now, what does it really mean by having these dealers? You might say not a lot. It means we've got agreements to sell the cars. Doesn't mean we've sold any cars. Doesn't mean we've made any money. We might be selling for losses. Who knows? However, this has been reported on Yahoo Finance. It's regarded as reliable. It's not just something that the company are trying to do to pump the stock and get out again. It's a genuine thing. This could be a massive opportunity for you to lower your averages and take a trade. I'm not saying you should stay in the stock. I have no idea. I'm not in it. I only own the S&P. But boy, what a turnaround this is. Probably the turnaround of the century if this comes off. Anyway, we'll know in a week, because in a week we'll have the meeting that was scheduled. If not, that it goes silent, then it'll go even worse. Click above my head for all the information down below in the description. You can join us 12 hours a day on the Extra channel, so you can update us. You can know what's going on. You can alert anyone to breaking news. I can come back live and report it. There is the Extra channel, and if you become a subscriber or a member or super chat on the Extra channel, it'll show it live here on the main channel, and everybody will see your support on the Extra channel. Above my head, down below, over here and over here. We're going to keep a close eye on this. This could be the trade of the century. This is the sort of thing that that Warren Buffett would have looked for. A stock that's down on its arse that is about to explode. That's how he made his money before he moved into Coca-Cola and Apple and S&P and all the rest of it. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.